So hello everyone, welcome to your channel Cmat King. Today we are going to talk about all the Cmat examinations this happened today itself and the respective cutoff. What may be the cutoff, which what you may be getting to get a good college, very good college for the same. So let us start it out with the first. First of all, we will be discussing the section-wise questions. That means the quant, and then coming to GK, then coming to innovations and English. In this type, we are going forward. Okay. So first of all, I would like to tell you that three DIs there were. That was for the boys and girls were given there, and that was based on the engineering data, some engineering streams data. Okay. Then the percentage question came, the numerical on the percentage itself, Venn diagram. You know a Venn diagram. How does questions from the Venn diagram came? Although the quant was little bit moderate in the nature, it was not easy as everyone was expecting before the examination. Then dishonest sellers means discount but taking something, doing dishonesty at the same point of time and making the profit. Then unit digit is a base question came there, okay, in the quant itself. So if you know the unit digit command, you can do it. Then the compound interest of the third and fourth year itself, they were asking, so you have to calculate that fourth year what was the compound amount and third year, then you have to subtract. So in that manner, the question was asked. Ratio based question and permutation and combination based. In that, the specific word was given, that is the omega. So in that word, Mobile consolidation was asking like a permutation, how many permutation it will become. Okay, so in that manner the questions were asked. And reciprocal roots, time and work based. So time and work is very important. Every CAT, CMAT, ZAT, NMAT, every examination asks about time and work. So you have to remember this thing, ratio, duplicate ratio, and compound ratio. Based on that, and in that itself, irrational things were given. That is the in under root, the questions were being asked. Mixture of pulses and profit. So mixture, they were mixture and allocation. If you're strong enough, then you can do that question itself. And immersing sphere in a cylinder. So suppose there is a cylinder, they are pouring sphere into it. How much water will come outside? In that way, the concept was the same and the question was asked. Then based on the train crossing, other train and platform itself, then the length will be added. In that manner, that question was asked. And the balls in a jar, that is a probability question, which was the most important question was asked itself. Then there was a match of the following with the complex under roots. Question was given. So see, match the following and complex under roots were given. So this was a very difficult to just match this. But if you have practiced this a lot, then you can do the same. Overall, I would say that this section was moderate to hard in the nature, not easier one, but little bit of upper than the moderate. If you have done good amount of questions, then all the best and congratulations for this. You will get a good marks for this. But don't try to attempt just wrong questions, means tukka nahi lagana hai. You don't have to guess there. So let us come to this LR, logical reasoning section. That is a statement assumption. First time they asked. That is a cert from Taylor based question that was, and coding decoding like a hand milk means. In this way they asked the question. Assertion blood group O is universal donor. So on that base there was questions on statement assumption what earlier asked, but this is the new question. That is a blood group based question. Direction, Miss Lily was there given and he was wondering there, she was wondering there, and the direction based question was also asked from you. Okay, so find the missing number based also asked, where you have to tell which is the missing number, means there is a numerical things and you have to tell what is the missing number, what may be the come there. And dice based question that was asked. Dice based means you know how we find which one will be opposite of that face itself. Statement argument based question, that is a medical test before the marriage. Odd one out. There was a four options, that is a bajra, barley, mustard, rice, and out of these you have to find odd one out. Then painting the cylinder. On that thing, the question there was counting of triangles, on which the 20, I think 21 is the correct answer for the triangle counting. and clocks based. Yes, clock based question there was. So clock you have to prepare. Monkey climbing and falling means he just go for a 4 meter and falls to 2 meter. So in that way there was a target given for the same. Arranging in sequence is a rain, flood, monsoon, relief, shelter. So these words were given, but arranging them in a sequence, that was a basic good thing. Again, Venn diagram came into LR also bag, process and container based Venn diagram. Sitting arrangement also came there. Okay, so there was a no puzzle at all. Overall section of this LR, I would rate that is a easy to moderate section. That was not tough to do. So easy to moderate section this was. Let us go to the verbal passage on education. There was a two question on the same active passive voice has been given. So you have to know that which one is active, how to just, convert from active to passive. So on the principle base, there is a noun and adjective based question came. Antonym of obligatory they asked. So you can comment if you have chosen any option. You can comment for this question. That is the antonym of obligatory. Fill in the blanks. There was the extempore catches cold. Provide the concerning five questions. There was on this thing. There are some options. I am taking the extempore catches cold. Provide the concerning in this way you can fill that gap itself. Odd one out, there was a hold on, high, back, and up. Match the column that is a win hands down, learn the hard way, feel blue, and match the column another. There was a Latin party, lex, lotty, LEB, and there was some other terms given. I am unable to just pronounce the same. If you are able to pronounce, just drop the comment below. Okay. SV, that is a subject verb agreement. There was a question on this. Models based two question there was jumbled two question that is a water body pollution and balanced eco growth. That is a and CAJOLE that is a causal means synonyms they ask. So you have to just answer this. That what is the synonym of this word? Just comment below your answer. And if we will take this overall journey of verbal right from the education questions to questions, so this will be grammar based. Yes, maximum questions were grammar based itself. If you know, if you have good command at grammar, you can do these questions very easily. And vocab fill analogy came there also. Yes, and grammar based means if you have not read that grammar, then it must be a very much hard for you itself. So I think the most important learning for you that be prepared with the worst situation. Means many people think that there should not be a grammar in itself, but there is grammar and there were grammar in this examination. That this question came. So at last and very important topic, we are going to talk about GK section. Yes, that GK section of the CMAT 2024 is out and question we are going to tell you. That is the Asian Games based question 2026, Swaraj Party based question from the ancient history itself. I think this was of modern history part. Okay, Article 21A about the ask Article 21A. Panchayat system introduction when it was introduced, you should have knowledge of this. This question was asked. Bengal partition, Muslim League, Chori Chora, Kant. This was asked, and graphite conductor, diamond transparent. This question was asked based on the Indus Valley civilization. They were asking the question. First space tourist, they asked the name, and there is a Kathakali. On which state there is a Kathakali dance form is very famous on this. Gautam Buddha born and path of salvation of Buddhism. They asked. Book My Life was a term there, and based on that they were asking the name of the book. Anthology and pedology based question was there. Ajasatru and Magadha Empire based question was there. So these things you know from where they are asking. Arranging day in chronological order, they ask Constitution Day celebrated on Paleolithic and Mesolithic is again coming to Harappan civilization. The question was asked. So ancient history uh, gives very good importance in this itself. And I think Lionel Messi belongs to which country? They ask. First foreigner to receive Bharat Ratna. They ask. So all these questions, just write down this question and try to learn how we can answer that. How how many of them? These questions you can answer without thinking. So overall, I would tell that this section was hard. Yes, not a moderate, hard in the nature. Okay. So let us go into the innovation and entrepreneurship section with the question. First question was hiring right person, investor, and time management related. Second question is market potential judgment. Third is mudra loan related, that is a Kishore, Shishu, Tarun, how many amount there is. Speculative business risk, what is this? You must have knowledge of definition. Startup India, new age enterprises, ideas, two statement of yoga on yoga were given there. You have to choose and select. You have to be very selective in that. Entrepreneurship, creativity, and sequence, info and website, and promoters, biodata. They were asking the question on the same. Not that organization to do business, live and license, match intrapreneur, entrepreneur, distributor, and customer base. Matching they have to win. Manager starts a new venture to the for the existing business. What is this called? And social enterprise obligation. Which of the following is not a part of entrepreneurship development program? Primary function is to innovate. This was sentence given by whom? This question was asked. Instant coffee competitive as that base question also came. Assertion and reasoning is small and large business. This question was there. Technical, financial, and market feasibility match the column was also there. Two statement on government intervention. Entrepreneurship is an aggressive catalyst and an independent thinker. So based on that question, so you can see this innovation and entrepreneurship is also hard in the nature. Yes, it is very hard in the nature. No one can make you sure that you will score full marks. So this was very hard because in this what type of question they are totally related to current affairs, what is going there, and what must be the logic behind the taking any answer. So they want to be very choosy in that way, very selective. Okay. So I have told you about all the sections, how it was, and what you have to just do this. First of all, you don't have to do negative marking. Means you don't have to guess anything. If you know, then go ahead. Now at last, I want to tell you that above what marks you are getting some percentile. That means if you are getting around 290 marks, then you will be getting around 94 to 96 percentile itself. If you have to get 98 percentile, then you have to score around 300 marks. If you have to get 99.99 percentile, you have to score around 321 marks itself. So in that matter, the cutoff is going to be for the same. So that's all from my side. Thank you for watching this video. For CMAT and for every GDPI, we have launched the course that is launched by Ex-Nibm student itself. Make sure you have joined. Video WhatsApp number has also been given. Make sure you have joined and just revise it also. That's all from my side. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.